Welcome to our instructions for our VAL 1000, our vertical alignment and transfer jig for prosthetics. If you just purchased your VAL 1000, thank you very much. Go ahead and remove all the bubble wrap and plastic film. Mount it securely to any table or Leonard Industries base and shim as necessary to level out your bottom plate right here. Quick start to go ahead and get started. All you have to do is choose your rotation around the axis, lock that out by locking the bottom and top handles here. So we'll go ahead and do that. Lock the bottom, lock the top. Now your fixture is free to slide up and down the vertical in perfect alignment, all three arms. Arm 2, which is packaged separately, sleeves right on in, no tools necessary, tightens down. Now you're ready to start fabricating. It comes fully assembled and fully aligned. All right, we'll go over a little general description here, a little bit more detail. We have three arms. We have our base, our bottom arm. We have our middle arm, or our halo as we call it. And we have our top arm, which is our collar arm, pipe collar, and these all slide on body slides. I'm going to leave these loose here just for a demonstration, the top and the bottom, so that it rotates. These three body slides slide vertically on our main shaft, and they're aligned by our external alignment spine. We have horizontal alignment spines for arms 1 and 3, so that they slide perpendicular to each other. We have a general solid steel welded fabrication, so the body, slides, handles, arms, everything, all welded steel. Makes it very, very long-lasting and very tough. We also beefed up all the outer diameters of all the pipes. This makes it a much more rigid frame and holds your AK casts a whole lot more accurately. We went to an external alignment spine on both the vertical and the horizontal, eliminating all of the play and wobble. We don't have a little groove that wears out. We actually clamp down on these spines, thus eliminating the wobble each and every time you clamp down on the handles. All right, we'll go over the processes of each arm a little bit more thoroughly. I'm going to leave it free to rotate around the base just for some demonstration purposes so you guys can get a good view. All right, arm 1, its vertical ascent is controlled by the handle on this side. Tighten that down and that locks it out. Its horizontal is controlled by the handle on the other side here. And the alignment spine you can see is labeled so you can record your distance away from the center pipe. And then we have the pipe collar, which is controlled by this handle right here in the front. You just loosen the handle and the pipe collar falls right out. This is your standard pipe collar. Goes over 1/2-inch water pipe. Very nice and snug, very small. Tightens in with just a few set screws. These 2 set screws on the side will help key out your rotation. So when you lock it in place, it will lock out both your height and your rotation. Our pipe collar is also nice because it's small enough, it fits inside our check socket platforms and our laminating fixtures, so you don't have to remove it through any stages of fabrication. Arm 2 is controlled the same way. Over here on this side is the vertical, over here on this side is the horizontal. This as well controls your coronal rotation. And then we have an independent separate handle on the bottom here that controls your sagittal movement. So you have independent control of both planes. So I'm going to lower it right here just so that you can see. You've got 3 threaded T-handles with little soft feet that you can use to tighten down your check socket into place. And now you have complete control in both planes of motion, independent from one another. And the other nice thing about this is that it just pops right out of the fixture so that you don't have to have it in your way all the time. Which makes it very convenient. Okay, arm 3, or our base, slides vertically up and down, just the same as all the other ones. We typically leave it at the bottom. It slides horizontally with this handle here. Its movement is completely perpendicular to the head up here, locked out by the horizontal alignment spine. And then this base has a 4-hole pattern that's easily accessible from the bottom, So you can bolt on a pyramid with your standard adjustment, or if you're doing a transfer and you are happy with the pyramid, you can just bolt the block directly onto the base. And the block is adjustable at the bottom here. You just undo the set screw, which loosens the plate. Roll this handle right here, and you can roll the entire base plate left to right in a very accurate, controlled manner. Just tighten down on the set screw, locks out all the movement. Alright, thank you guys very much. Please check back for our other videos. We've got lots of attachments, all kinds of cool stuff with this. Thank you very much.